Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg pudding at home. First, gather all your fresh vegetables and other ingredients. Make sure your kitchen tools are ready, like a good knife and a baking dish. We'll start by preparing the vegetables, ensuring they are clean and cut properly. This initial setup is key for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's focus on preparing your ingredients. Choose a mix of your favorite vegetables, perhaps carrots, peas, and corn. Dice them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch, so they cook evenly. Don't forget to measure your liquids and spices precisely. This ensures the perfect flavor balance for your pudding. It's time to cook. Begin by lightly sautéing any aromatic vegetables, like onions or garlic, until they are softened. Then, combine all your prepared vegetables, liquids, and seasonings in a baking dish. You can bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or steam it until it's firm and golden brown on top. Once your veg pudding is cooked, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This helps it set properly and makes it easier to slice. Garnish with some fresh parsley or a drizzle of a light, savory sauce. Feel free to get creative with your next batch by trying different vegetables or adding a pinch of your favorite spice blend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.